Hey y'all, it's Boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Cautions. Here doing Cup of Flex. And it ain't no fucking flex tape. Because that's a massive fucking lawsuit. Actually, a couple lawsuits in case you didn't know. Go look it up. Flex tape's a fucking scam. Oh, this is bold. Almost electric, like power rolling over my tongue. Everything's tightening, shining, like I could break the world in two with a glance. Or maybe just bend it to my will? Is that me growing? Growing? I can't speak. Maybe. Oh. Yes, Flex a girl, I fucking guessed. You just became a virtual queen, so sure. Why are you giving me a fucking new face? I don't know how I feel about that. Alright, anyways, there's the Cup of Flex. Enjoy this episode. Please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.